Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Study of Anatomy. I hope you all will be fine. I'm also fine. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting more study videos like that. Today I am explaining you bones movement terminologies. With how can our bones move, how can we walk, how can we eat, all that things. So without wasting our time, let's start our lecture. Bones movement terminology. First of all, flexion. Bending movement in which angle between two bones decreases. Bending the elbow or clenching a hand into fist are example of flexion. Bending movement in which angle between two bones decreases. When we bend our bones, then the distance between them are decreases, angle decreases. For example, this is my hand. If my hand into a fist, I clench my hand into a fist, then my bones are nearer, decreases, my bone distance are decreases. This increase, this decrease. This is called flexion. Bending the elbow or clenching hand into fist. Example of flexion. Extension. Extending movement in which angle or distance between two bones increases. Extending movement in which angle or distance. For example, when we walk, then this is the extension. Our walk is called extension. Abduction. Movement of limb away from the medial line. Movement of limb away from the medial line. Abduction, adduction. Movement of limb towards the medial line. For example, when we push our leg outside, this is called abduction. When we again move inner side, it is called adduction. When we move outside, abduction. When we move inner side, adduction. Pronation. Movement of forearm in which position, that palm facing downward. For example, pronation is that. This one is called pronation. Movement of forearm in which position, that palm face downward, is called pronation. And supination. Movement of forearm in which position, that palm facing upward. This one is called supination. This one pronation, this one supination. Palm outside downward and forearm palm facing upward is called supination. Inversion. Movement of sole of foot towards the medial line. Movement of sole of foot towards the medial line. If our feet are towards the middle line, what is middle line? Medial line is that which can divide body into two equal parts, is called medial line. When we move our foot upward, is called eversion. When we move our foot towards the medial line, it is called inversion. Movement of sole of foot away from the medial line is called eversion. Movement of sole of foot towards the medial line is called inversion. Now elevation. Movement of bones towards the upper side is called elevation. Movement of bones towards the upper side. When we raise our hand, it is called elevation. Depression. Movement of bones towards the lower side. When our bones are on lower side, then it is called depression. Plantar flexion. Movement of the sole of foot in which angle or distance between foot and leg increases. Movement of the sole of foot in which angle or distance between foot and leg are decreases is called plantar flexion. This is plantar deflection. Dorsiflexion. If the distance between leg and foot decreases, called dorsi. If the distance between foot and legs is decreased, when the foot distance and leg distance decrease, then it's called dorsiflexion. This is dorsiflexion. This is plantar flexion. Today we read about the bones movement terminology such as flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, pronation, supination, inversion, eversion, elevation, depression, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion. I hope you all understand that what will I want to teach you. There is nothing there is no hard work to get these all points. They are all easy and understandable points. What will I teach you? Thanks for watching my video till the end. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.